Fincept Terminal is the all-in-one financial intelligence platform that gives you institutional-grade market analytics, AI-powered research, and real-time trading, completely free and open source. Built with native C++20 and Qt6, Fincept Terminal delivers Bloomberg-level performance without the $27,000 annual price tag. It covers over 423,000 financial instruments across equities, crypto, derivatives, fixed income, and forex. What makes Fincept Terminal powerful? 37 AI agents, including Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham-style analyst agents, help you evaluate investments. 100+ data connectors pull from sources like Yahoo Finance, Fred, IMF, World Bank, and Polygon. You get 16 broker integrations including interactive brokers, Alpaca, and Zerodha for both crypto and equity trading. The terminal features 50+ technical indicators, a QuantLib suite with 18 quantitative analysis modules, a node editor for building custom automation pipelines, and an AI Quant Lab for machine learning and reinforcement learning trading agents. Installation is straightforward across Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Just download the installer from GitHub releases, or clone and run the setup script. With 27,000 GitHub stars and an active community, Fincept Terminal is the smartest choice for traders who refuse to pay Bloomberg prices. Download Fincept Terminal today from GitHub and take control of your financial data.